friends, this is Ratna. Welcome back to my channel. In today's kitchen, we are going to prepare Odisha famous rasgullas. So please watch this video until the end and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So let's get started with our today's recipe.
Let's prepare our rasgullas. Here I have taken 1 liter of milk. We can see now it has come to a boil. Here I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar and added 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to dilute it. Add slowly to the milk and stir it. You can also use lemon in the place of vinegar to make a chena. Add some more and stir it. Now we can see the chena has separated from the milk. Turn off the stove, strain and keep it to cool down until the chena lifts all the excess water. So in between we will prepare our sugar syrup or chasni. Here I am going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to caramelize it. As I am preparing Odisha style rasgullas, so color will be little brown. You can add 1 tablespoon of water. Allow it to cook until it gets this brown color as I have shown in this video. At this point, add 1 cup of water very slowly and carefully. Mix it gently. Allow it to boil. Now it has come to a boil. At this point, I will add 4 cups of water. So in total, we are going to add 5 cups of water. As the chasni will be thick when we will cook it with rasgullas, so that will have a perfect consistency. Here I have taken 1 cup of sugar. You can also take 1 to 1.5 as per your taste. Mix this properly. And cover it until it gets cooked properly. We will start preparing our rasgullas. So here we can see the chena is completely dried. It has no water in it, but they are very soft. We will open to get the crumbles. Now you have to use this part of your palm to rub the chenas and get a very soft and polished texture. Do this process until we get a very polished texture of chena. We can see the chena is very polished. So here we will add 1 tablespoon of maida so that it combines very nicely. Else the chena are very soft, so they might open if you put it in the sugar syrup. Mix this gently. And also here I have some crushed cardamom powder to get a very nice flavor. As in sweet we used to add cardamom. We can see it is so nice now. The dough has become very nice and it is not at all sticking to the surface. Now it's ready. We'll make a roll out of it and start preparing our rasgullas. You can take this size as I have shown in this video and use a very soft hand. Do not rub it or crush it. So use a very soft hand to make a nice rasgulla. This will be doubled in the size, so you make sure you do this kind of this shape of rasgullas. So likewise, I will do all my rasgullas. We can see now these are completely ready, and in 1 liter of milk we can make 14 rasgullas of this size. So let's put it in the chasni. Now we can see the consistency of the chasni is really nice, and at this point I will add 4 to 5 elaichis to get a very nice flavor. Before putting the rasgullas, make sure this gas should be in high flame and the chasni should be boiling like this. Now we will add one by one rasgullas. We can see the rasgullas are floating nicely, but when it's done they will not be floating, they will stick to the surface. Now we can cover it and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes in high flame. We are not going to open the cover as well. Now it's been 10 minutes, we can see they are doubled in size. We'll turn the rasgullas so that the other side will get the same color. Now we will cook it for 15 to 20 minutes in medium flame so that the rasgullas will be cooked from inside nicely as well. Now it's almost done, just 2 more minutes for a final finish. Now we can see we're completely done and they're very soft and perfect. We'll wait a bit for it to cool down and we'll start our plating. You can also have the rasgullas hot as they are yummy, if that is completely your choice. Now it's completely ready. I've done the plating. I'll show one by taking in my hand. I'll take out one and show you how it has come out. See, it's so soft. And I'll cut it and show. The inside it also cooked nicely. Please try this yummy Odisha style rasgullas.
Please try this recipe at home and do share your valuable comments in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notifications. Until the next recipe, bye bye.